Hey guys, it's Danielle Cormier. Welcome back to my channel. I know that I have been gone for so long and I am so sorry. I've just been so busy at work. But today I have another video for you, a little quick and simple little review of last month's Boxycharm. It was the eye candy. So of course with a little eye candy I had to go pink for you guys to show you guys what it's all about. And you know, I'm feeling like some bubble gum. So if you want to see this video, go ahead and stay tuned. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, like this video, comment, and go ahead and share. Don't forget to hit the notification button down below so that you will always be notified whenever I upload videos. So enough of this. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that we're back, I'm done. My face is somewhat beat. Doing a little baking under the cheeks only. We're gonna go ahead and hop into the next product inside of our Boxycharm. We have the BrowGal, the Instant Hair Brow Tinted Brow with microfibers. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna do my brows, and then after I do my brows, we'll go ahead and apply that. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna apply this. This is in the color Brown Hair number 2. This is what it looks like. This product retails for $22. So the next thing in the Boxycharm is going to be the Colourpop. This is the semi precious palette. Super cute. This palette retails for $26. Now I already swatched them, but I can tell you that these colors are so beautiful. They're like all shimmer shades, but the color that I'm most in love with right now is this color right here. This is Up in Atom. Get it? Up in Atom. So I think with the pink hair and stuff, I think I'm going to definitely be using that shade. So first I'm just going to go into my Huda Beauty Desert and Dust palette, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna create a little some. Let's see what we can get popping. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the color Eden and use this as my transition shade. Okay, so next I'm going to, I think I'm going to dip into the color Amber, which is right next to it, and we're going to put that right in our crease and in the outer V. Okay, so next I'm just going to pop into the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to grab the color Mousse right here. And I'm just going to take a smaller brush, and I'm just going to kind of put it right in the outer V a little bit more, because I kind of want more of a brown color, but this will help deepen it. And then I'm going to take that same brown and I'm just going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with the color Eden from the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm just going to kind of blend that out. And then I'm going to take the color Amber and I'm just going to put it right in the bottom corner. So then we're going to take the palette. I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to take this flat brush. We're going to pick up a little bit of the products. And I want to see what it looks like without any Fix Plus first. So, oh yeah. That's popping. Fire. Love that effing fire. Loving this. Loving this palette. Love. Okay, so the next thing that we got is the Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow. And this is just a liquid highlighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few drops to this little cute little under eye beauty blender. And that was a lot. And then I'm going to use that to apply anywhere that I want to apply my highlighter and just kind of. Then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collab, and I just absolutely like love this highlighter. It's so nice. It's so pretty. Like I can just OD on it, literally. And you know your girl loves to glow. So it's never too much glow from me. Oh, and also that retails for $29. So the last thing is the Adesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. And this retails for $24. And it is huge. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Beautiful. Personally, I'm going to go out after this, so I don't want to use this color. I don't think so. So this is the color. It's like this mauve-y, like brown kind of pinky undertone. I don't really want to use that for this look necessarily. It is beautiful and it does come with a lot of product, so I'll definitely be trying that out and using that later down the road. But for today, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC lip pencil in the color Hoover. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the Mademoiselle lipstick. This is in the shade Single. Alright, so I'm gonna be right back. Your girl is going to go ahead and snatch this wig for y'all, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So basically I just kind of, you know, quickly snatched this pink wig that I got right here. If you guys want to know where I got it, I will leave it in the description box down below. Another Amazon wig. I'm just saying, I got a wig haul. I'm gonna be filming that, guys. I'm gonna be filming that like really soon for you guys, because I ordered like mad wigs from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you all the wigs that I've gotten off of Amazon, from like cheap to like, you know, medium price range, and then like just showing you guys like how they look and how they are. So I went ahead and finished up my wig. I threw on some mascara and some lashes. These are the Jasmin Brown in collaboration with Cosmetics London Eylur. These are the Jaybee lashes. I love them. So yeah, so this is the final look that I've created for you guys with last month's Boxycharm, and hopefully this month I'll get that Boxycharm a little sooner. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I love you guys. I missed you guys. I'm sorry. I'm busy at work, but I'm going to film more, I promise. I hope you guys have a great weekend. See you later.